Very well. Let's continue. So now, what is Cuban salsa, Maria?
The term Cuban salsa is a commercial name for the casino dancing, and also is the name of the music that we use to dance casino.
That's right. Since casino became so popular all around the world, we are used to hear different names for the same style. For example, Cuban salsa or even salsa casino. But for us, let's remember that the original name is casino dancing. So now, Cuban salsa will be the music we will be using to dance casino. For example, songo, timba, and even son, cha-cha-cha, mambo, and other rhythms that are popular in Cuba to dance casino. So now, let's continue to do some exercises to understand and feel the music we will use to dance casino. So, join us.
Alright, salsa aficionados, let's do some exercises to help us to understand and feel the music.
That's right, Mari. Let's begin with understanding the music in a numerical sense. Let's remember that the music we will use to dance casino is measured in a compass that's called 4x4. That means there's 1, 2, 3, 4 times, followed by another 1, 2, 3, 4 times. This can also be named as a phrase of 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by 5, 6, 7, 8. Many instruments will use the 8 times to follow different melodies or patterns that will help us identify where that one is located. So, when we dance casino, we will usually dance in 1 for the squares. That means 1, 2, 3, pause in 4, 5, 6, 7, pause in 8. Every 3 times we'll use a pause to continue with our other 3 times. This way we will be dancing on 1. There's also other ways to dance as in 2 or in 3, where our feet will be in 2, 3, 4, pause on 5, 6, 7, 8, pause in 1 when we dance on 2, and when we dance on 3, it will be 3, 4, 5, pause in 6, 7, 8, 1, pause in 2. And for this course, as we said, we will concentrate only in 1. That means 1, 2, 3, pause in 4, 5, 6, 7, pause in 8. Now, let's see how can we feel the music and connect this concept of the numerical understanding of the music. First, the beat. The beat of the music is one of the most easy ways to focus and identify the music where we are hearing. For most of the people, hearing the beat is the easiest way to connect. That means, for example, using this song, we can start, for example, clapping the beat of the music. You can be moving your head, moving your feet. There's many ways we can show that we're feeling the music through the beat. Now, in this beat, we will find one beat that is more strong than the other. That's called the accent of the music. For example, let's find the strongest beat. Pa, pa, pa. Very good. This is the accent of the music for this 8-time phrase. Now, the accent of the music will tell us where the 1 and the 5 is located. But to identify where's the 1 or the beginning of these 8 times or the strongest accent, let's see what accent is sounding more with more strength, or where the phrases of the music are starting, those melodies of different instruments. For example, let's begin again with the pulse or the beat. Pa, pa, pa. Very good. Now the accent. Pa, pa. One of those accents is the strongest one. 1, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And now we're in the first time of the 8. That's one example of how can we, feeling the music, understand where the 1 is located, starting from the beat, then with using the accent, to get to the one or the strongest accent. It's important to know that there are other accents that can be used, like in 4 and 8, that other instruments tend to use, for example, in traditional son. But for now, we will focus on the accents in 1 and in 5. Now let's do this with our body. For example, we will use an exercise that we'll see in further lessons that's called marque and the basic step. For example, let's begin with the pulse again. Pa, pa. Now the accent. Pa, pa. Now let's go for the 1. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna close with in 1. Close. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now let's go with the basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and there. Using the marque, we are entering or calibrating our body to know where do we want to focus the basic step, either in 1 or 2 or in 3. When you want to dance in 1, you will close the marque, but that is something we'll see in further lessons. Now, let's do this same exercise, but starting on the beat with our feet. Let's begin the march in the beat. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, pa, pa. Now we're gonna add a pause on the 7th time. 1, 3, 5, pause in 7. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 2, and with the music. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and stop. See, this is another way to start dancing with the march that we will also see in further lessons. So now, let's focus first on how to feel the music, how to understand the music in a numerical sense, so you have both understandings for a better result when you start dancing casino. So, see you on the next lessons.
Bye!